And the COVID vaccine rollout is well underway, but lots of people are still wondering when they will get their dose. ABC 10 News anchor Lindsay Pena explains where we are in the process and how long before everyone will have access.
When we get to phase 1B, this will be messaged to the public.
Nearly 600 people joined a virtual town hall Thursday morning with San Diego County Supervisor Jim Desmond and health experts to ask questions about the COVID vaccine rollout. Just this week, San Diego County announced all people in phase 1A are now eligible to get their first dose.
Instead of holding for tier 1 and tier 2 and tier 3, anybody that fits into phase 1A should be able to step forward and get a vaccine.
Dr. Christian Ramers with Family Health Centers of San Diego is on the COVID vaccine clinical advisory committee. They're in charge of making decisions related to the rollout. He says their next focus will be phase 1B.
The first tier right off the bat is age 75 and older. And that's a pretty easy one, I would say, because really the mortality is just so much higher.
Also in 1B are people working in sectors like education, childcare, and agriculture. There isn't a set date right now on when we could move forward in phases, but
and I'd say within weeks is probably the best I can do to just really opening up to the public.
According to the county, so far there have been over 200,000 doses allocated to the region, but we've only received 120,500. And of that number, nearly 52,000 doses have been administered. The county says they're trying to be as aggressive as possible in getting the vaccines out, which means not waiting until everyone in a phase or tier has been vaccinated.
We can move on to the next tier and we don't have to wait until everything gets finished because we really want to move things more quickly.
Lindsay Pena, ABC 10 News.
It's important to note the current vaccine numbers don't include doses sent to military bases or large pharmacies. Those are vaccinating people in skilled nursing facilities. And you can go to the county's website for more information on the vaccine rollout schedule and which group you fall into.